Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making Lee's double chocolate brownies. I have altered the recipe slightly. The recipe is included down below in the description, a link to it. My alterations are listed, the link to the recipe is down there. But this is such a fun recipe. This once again is one of those recipes where I'm making because I can't get a hold of my testers. So we are going to be making this as is. Yeah, I know it'll be good, but let's get started. And it is so easy to make. You can do this very little time. Right now my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And I am using, instead of chocolate wafers, I'm using chocolate chips. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I will tell you what I'm altering. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt the chocolate chips. This is the 1 cup of chocolate chips, or if you're using the chocolate wafer, you want to use 1 cup of chocolate wafers. After 20 seconds in the microwave, I'll bring this back over, give it a stir, and put it in for another 20. Another 20. That is hot. Alright. For the moment, I'm going to set that aside because it is melted. I'm going to take my cocoa powder, and I'm using black chocolate powder. You can use just regular Dutch processed. I'm going to give that a little blend there. And once again, why do I keep doing this? I always put these in bowls that are way too small. But you get the idea. Alright, now the fun stuff. We are going to take sugar, and I'm using raw sugar, brown sugar, and I think we'll do this way. I'll put in my melted butter, start that going. Alright, with that going, I will add my salt. I'm using homemade vanilla. If you want to learn how to make vanilla, hit that card. It'll take you to the day where I make vanilla. It's also listed down below in the links. There we go. Now my eggs. Now, with this on low, I'm going to add my flour mixture. Alright, now with this running, I'm going to put in my melted chocolate. Alright, now, pretty quickly, we're going to add pecans, which I've added, and more chocolate chips. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out, give the paddle a scrape. Now I'm going to drop this into the center of my greased, parchment-lined pan. Yes, I greased the parchment. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an offset spatula and then just spread this out into my 9x13 pan. Now I'm going to take this over to my oven and bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until a cake tester stuck down into the center of it comes out clean. Our brownies are out of the oven. I let them cool for about an hour. Now my brownies took much longer than the 18 minutes the recipe calls for. My brownies took about 40 minutes. I'm going to give this a slice. These look good. Those are really good. Now, let's see if I can explain these. These are very fudgy, with a crusty outside and a very fudgy and rich inside. These are really good. Really easy to make. And I am glad I added the nuts to them because it tastes even better. They are slightly greasy, I will tell you that, but they're totally worthless. Now, if you make these, let me know. You should get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Now, if you have other recipes that you would like to see me try, let me know down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you check out this recipe, please give the people who made the recipe a shout out from me to tell them that, yes, I love their recipe. And I hope I get to see you again the next time you stop by.